Welcome to the Denton Peterson Dunn podcast. We provide a guide for you to succeed in all your business law matters. Our attorneys have been serving clients in the greater Phoenix area since 1995. Denton Peterson Dunn has the legal expertise you need to successfully operate in the complex realm of business law. This podcast series is reviewed and approved by attorney Brad Denton.
In this episode, we'll be looking into what is a buy-sell agreement and if your small business really needs one. A buy-sell agreement, sometimes referred to as buyout agreements or business continuation agreements, is a contract governing what happens to a business co-owner's interest in a company when the business co-owner dies, becomes disabled, or leaves the business. First, let's understand the specific characteristics of a buy-sell agreement. You might think of a buy-sell agreement as a prenup or an estate plan for sole proprietorships, partnerships, and close corporations. An effective buy-sell agreement will establish first who can purchase the co-owner's interest, second, the price at which that interest may be purchased, and third, how the business or partners will pay for the co-owner's interest. The buy-sell agreement will identify specific conditions which may trigger a sale of the co-owner's interests. These conditions almost always include death, disability, divorce, departure, deadlock, disagreement, and default. These triggering conditions are often labeled the Ds of buy-sell agreements. Now, let's review the intricacies of a buy-sell agreement through an illustrative example. By way of example, Allie and Bert are co-owners of the Main Street Tavern, each holding a 50% interest in the tavern. If Bert died before the tavern formed a buy-sell agreement, Bert's heirs may end up as partners of the tavern, which Allie may not want. If instead the Main Street Tavern has an effective buy-sell agreement in place upon Bert's death, Allie could have the first opportunity to purchase Bert's interest in the tavern at an agreed-upon price, or at a price to be calculated using a predetermined formula or appraisal method. Suppose Allie is sick of being in business with Bert. Without a buy-sell agreement in place, Allie could sell her 50% interest in the tavern to Bert's arch-nemesis Craig, which would be major trouble for the future of the tavern. On the other hand, an effective buy-sell agreement could force Allie to offer the interest to Bert before she took her shares to the marketplace to sell to someone else. Finally, suppose Bert and his wife Darla divorce. Without a buy-sell agreement in place, Darla could receive some of Bert's interest in the tavern as part of the divorce settlement. If divorce is one of the triggering conditions in an operational buy-sell agreement, Darla may be stopped from receiving any interest. Darla's interest may automatically become non-voting interest. The interest which Darla might have received may revert to Allie, or Allie may at least have the opportunity to purchase Darla's interest. Remember, if you need a buy-sell agreement in Arizona, contact an experienced business law firm right away. Every small business needs a buy-sell agreement in place. Without one, the business, partners, and heirs may suffer from internal fighting, and the business may lose some of the goodwill the partners worked so hard to build, resulting in the business dissolution. In any case, having an effective buy-sell agreement will give comfort to co-owners and their families, and the business can continue to prosper should one of the dreaded Ds strike. Denton Peterson Dunn has decades of collective experience advising businesses of all types. We are ready to put our knowledge, legal understanding, and experience to work on your behalf so that you can be assured of legal compliance in your business operations and contracts. Our team can help you make the best decisions for your business, draft and review contracts, negotiate rental agreements, discover areas where your business may be vulnerable to liability, guide you through legal compliance, and assist with many other areas of business law. Reach out to Denton Peterson Dunn today and schedule your free consultation. Call us at 480-325-9900 or visit us online at arizonabusinesslawyer.az.com.
Thank you for listening to the Denton Peterson Dunn podcast. Our first priority is your success. We help create corporations and LLCs, draft and negotiate contracts, deal with employment issues, and analyze franchises. Should you need assistance with your business legal issues, contact the experienced attorneys at Denton Peterson Dunn today.